Did you find anything, Liz? Making ruts. We're in a holding pattern, Gypsy. Come help. Really, Lexi? And you're going around one more time? She's just wanting to... Jeez, Lizzie.
Yep, that's enough. Come on.
Alright, come on, guys. Come on. Come on, crazies. Come on, crazies. And where's your stick? Precious is like, y'all are crazy. I'm just leaving. Hi, Abby. Big boy. Hey, Bubba. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we're going to run around the yard when we get back, huh? We're just getting you wired up.